You will love the features of this 2023 Nissan Leaf. Drive into the future in comfort and confidence in this well-equipped all-electric Leaf. This stylish four-door hatchback delivers earth-friendly efficiency, driver assist safety tech, cutting-edge connectivity, and a roomy interior with plush seating. All you need to do is relax and enjoy the ride. These are just some of the great options this vehicle comes with: lane departure warning, keyless entry, backup camera, keyless start, lane keeping assist, satellite radio, steering wheel audio controls, Bluetooth connection, blind spot monitor, rear spoiler. All-electric efficiency and modern style intersect with affordability in this future-focused Leaf. See for yourself when you take it out for a test drive. Our professional staff looks forward to giving you excellent service.